You know, what becomes very important when motivating people is that we give to them motivational lessons that are practical. You don't want a situation where a person sits listening to a motivational talk and thinks, this is good, but this is almost not practical.
Zenzele Mbokodo is all about a women's organization where we empower, inspire, and impact women. So we always ask women to work together and support each other. So even then, Namhlanje is very successful. And then what we would like to say, thanks to Musa Zulu for being part of the event, just to give us the inspiration and the words of wisdom, which so much of the people who are here today just have something that they can take it home.
La sigqugquzela khona abantu besifazane ukuthi abasukume bazenzele bahlukane nokuthi badependele ekutheni bazokwenzelwa abanye abantu izinto kufanele kubibona abasukuma bafinqe umkhono bakwazi ukuzenzela izinto zihappen through bona.
Okumnandi besimotivate umuntu wesilisa njoba ngibuye ngidile nama programs abantu besilisa in the department ngishilo ngathi sengathi bangayibona nabo bazi ukuthi banegxathu abangalidlala kubantu besifazane emsebenzini ekhaya emasontweni. So ngendlela uMusa asimotivate ngayo singabantu besifazane inkulu indima ayidlalile kuthina.
So a motivational speaker's role is to make it a point that the message can be put into practice. And in being put to practice, then the message is alive.
What you still like looks like another love TKO.